Meaning of heat-resistant.
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 Heat-resistant. Heat-resistant refers to materials or substances that are able to withstand high temperatures without degrading or melting. Heat-resistant materials are often used in applications where exposure to extreme heat is a concern, such as in the construction of furnaces, ovens, and engines. These materials are designed to maintain their structural integrity and physical properties even when exposed to high temperatures for extended periods of time. Heat-resistant materials can be made from a variety of substances, including metals, ceramics, and polymers, and are crucial in many industries where heat is a major factor.